You've probably just been staring at something that looks like this. And after you stared at it for a little while, you looked at something white, like a white wall or a white piece of paper, blinked a few times, and then probably saw something called an after image. Now, I was hoping that you would see something that looks like this circle, but with different colours. So instead of green, it will have been a colour called magenta, which is kind of a bright pinky kind of colour. Instead of red, it will have been a light blue colour, which we call cyan. And instead of blue, it will have been yellow. So you will have seen a circle just like this, split into three, with cyan, magenta, and yellow as the colours in it. If you didn't see that, you might want to try pausing this video and having another go. Make sure you really stare at the middle of that circle for a really long time, and then you look at a white wall, and if you still can't see anything, blink a few times like this, and then you try blinking really hard, and then see if you can see that after image. Now, this is actually quite a complicated experiment, and there's loads of really complicated science that we could talk about. If you want to find out a little bit more about that science, you could search after image and then read about after images and how they happen. I just want to give you a simple explanation. So in your eye, you have things called receptors, and they are able to see different colours. So you have blue receptors that can see blue, red receptors that can see red, and green receptors that can see green. Your brain puts all these colours all together and helps you to see all sorts of different colours, like red and orange and yellow and green and purple. In fact, every single colour that you see is made up of this red, blue and green. So your eyes tell your brain, we're seeing a little bit of red, a bit of blue and a bit of green, and your brain puts it all together and helps you to be able to see colours. When you stare at the same colour for a really long time, those receptors in your eyes get a bit tired and they actually turn off. So it's kind of like you're tiring out your receptors. Not for a long time, they'll turn back on again pretty quickly, but for a few seconds after you've been staring at this piece of paper, those colour receptors are still tired out and they're still switched off. So when you look at something white, it shows you something that isn't really there, something a little bit strange. And what you're actually seeing is just those colour receptors being switched off. And it makes your brain see something that isn't really there. So the simple explanation is that when you stare at this, your colour receptors switch off in certain parts of your eye. So when you look at something white, you'll see something that isn't really there. And that's just because those colour receptors are switched off. After a while, the colour receptors switch back on again, and you start to see the white colour just as normal, and the after image fades away. Like I said, if you want to see more about this or learn more about this, just search for after image science, and you should find lots and lots of good explanations on the internet, and you might be able to find out a little bit more about the complicated science behind this.